Hi, and thanks for joining me. My name is Ken Stone, one of your customer success coaches here at Bright. And today I'd like to talk to you about a premium product that we have access to at a basic level that's included with our membership here at Bright. This is our product known as Smart Charts. I'd like to show you some of the fantastic options we have with Smart Charts. So I am going to navigate, of course, first by going from the main workspace to the market drop-down menu, and then choosing Smart Charts. You can tell that there is a premium subscription with this based on that P located right next to the product. But like I said, as a Bright subscriber, we do get a version of this, the basic version, as part of our subscription with Bright. Initially, you'll be prompted to log in with your brokerage ID and password. But if you have problems with that, please feel free to reach out to support. We may be able to get you into the Smart Charts program. Otherwise, you reach out to Smart Charts for additional assistance. But you can see directly here, when I initially log in, I am taken to my dashboard. This does give me, of course, upper level diagnostic and statistics for the Mid-Atlantic region. Of course, spotlighting certain topics with the amount of closed sales, giving a snapshot, and then able to explore more of this particular Mid-Atlantic region with locations specifically to this area. Now, with the Smart Charts, we do have the ability to narrow down to the county level. So with the county level, I can simply go into where change location here at the very top. I'll go ahead and choose Fairfax County, Virginia. But by typing it in, I can choose the county. Now, if you do try to choose the city, it will prompt you to try the free trial version of the Smart Charts program. Please do so if you wish, but you are welcome to utilize this service at the basic level. Now, of course, as I have already typed in Fairfax, and I can identify that based on where I am right now on the screen, I can actually take and see the amount of closed sales, new pendings, active listings, and then the month supply of inventory. I am able to take this particular statistic and embed that on my own web page. If you do have someone that can, we can choose the actual, you can see there is a ton of different metrics that we can choose from. In my case, maybe I want to know the average sold price. And I can, of course, go in and embed this and then keep the current date if I choose so, or keep it automatically updated, and it will automatically update from Smart Charts to my website. I just have to embed this code to do so. Now I can also just scroll this over and see the additional metrics as they are provided here on the screen. Now I can also come down to see a spotlight of Fairfax County, an additional August contract snapshot as well. So your pending versus closed sale contracts. You also can break this down and see specifics of sold properties, new pendings, and see these metrics as they come through the system based on the towns that are located in this particular county. Now it is breaking it down by city. I can break down by school district, zip code, and then for those with the pro version, we'll be able to get down to the city specifics and the advertised subdivisions. Of course, it is showing year-to-date information, which I can export. Now, the other tabs across the top here are our charts, which does allow for us to pull additional metrics based on bar graph, line graph, or line-by-line data. Now, we're currently looking at the activity market for closed sales, which I can add a metric if I do so. I can go into new listings and bring in and see new listings. It does automatically highlight on the graphs and bars for me. Now I can show for 1 year, up to 10 years, also view by months or quarters, showing from actual values, change the form and move that over to months. I can also pull in additional information like list price, square area or square living area, square foot, bedrooms, bathrooms, bank marketed. And I do have the ability to go through any of these additional options. So supply and demand. What's the supply and demand over for this area? I can also pull two very specific reports that are very handy for our social media. If I go under reports, I can get a detailed report, which lets me choose by month, year to date, quarterly, or yearly options. If I choose year to date for Fairfax County, so it is still pulling for the county that I'm looking for, and then select the time period. So year to date to August of 2024, because we are in October, the month has not concluded, so this data has not been processed yet. So I can hit go, and it will provide me a detailed report for the county showing specifics in a PDF. As soon as it loads, I'll enlarge this. Whoop. As I know some of you are looking at this on a smaller screen. And I do need to close you. I apologize. We can see, of course, sold dollar volume year to year with their change, finance types sold, as well as the days on market. We can look at any of those selected criteria and look at the additional information if we are unsure on one particular abbreviation, like OLP, original list price. And then garage parking spaces are not included in the detached attached section totals. So keep in mind for that as an additional note. You can also look down based on price range, going from 50 up to less than 50 to 50 to 99,999, and look at the different properties based on their price ranges. The other report that we can pull is our local market insights report. Now we can choose this for all property types, detached, attached all, attached townhouse, or attached condo co-op, and it will pull for the month specifically. So if I wanted to know the detached properties in Fairfax County for the month of August 2024, I can choose go, and it will populate that report as well for me in another PDF version that I can take and post to my social media or provide a link directly to. And we can, of course, see on this particular report, it does give us the nice snapshot produced by me for Fairfax County detached properties with, of course, new listings, pending listings, closed listings for the month, year-to-date information directly below, and then the median price sold. And it does give me a summary of the county specifics. It does also tell me the active listings in the county, average days on market, and then the average sold to original list price ratio. These are just some of the reports that we can choose and utilize within SmartCharts Pro, in SmartCharts itself from the included portion of our subscriptions. I highly recommend going into this particular program, playing around with it, seeing what fantastic reports you can create utilizing this service and this partner product. And I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope you have a great weekend ahead.